we have case study about problems. Steps to solve the management study. Yes. Chandrasekhar, can you just brief me what were those steps? Somebody has mentioned problem. In fact, I think that was the first step. If you can recall, कोई बता पाएगा? What was the first step that was involved in solving your case study? And see, try to interact and always put off your mic, rather put on, right? Unmute yourself and you can start communicating. This is how you are going to improvise on your communication. Chat boxing is all okay, but I am more comfortable if you are there on your mic. Investigation, yeah, somebody has rightly said. It was more of an investigation. But when will investigation happen? So what is the first step? Investigation क्यों जरूरी होता है? What is the reason? We have talked about you need to be policeman, you need to be lawyer, you need to be vigilant as a citizen to solve any case study for that matter. And why do in first case somebody has rightly pointed out to investigate, case solve. No, case solve no. What is the first step? Why do we investigate? To find the culprit, problem identification. Divyani has rightly pointed out. Wonderful. See, if there is a problem, तो ये सब चीजें आएगी. मैंने last time बोला था. Why do we need a police station? Why do we need a judge? For that matter, why do we need a doctor? Because there is a problem. There is a health problem. Unless and until there is a problem, you do not need all this professional. ये professional तो अभी ये recent century या back 2 centuries back में आया. पहले कहाँ थे? It was all about agriculture. There was no profession. हकीम वगैरह हुआ करते थे डॉक्टर्स के तौर पे, आर्किटेक्ट्स भी हुआ करते थे, CAs भी हुआ करते थे, but those were not very problematic areas. Those were needed by only very few people who were very rich, especially kings and all those people. So why these issues are coming up nowadays for solution. Yeah. So we need all these people. Police अगर झगड़े नहीं होंगे तो police station की जरूरत क्या है? Lawyers की जरूरत क्या है? Right? Then why do you need a spy? Spy आपको पता है जासूस. You have a problem, you wanted to find out. See, there is one very wonderful serial, Prime Videos. मुझे पता नहीं कितने लोग देखते हो because you have to subscribe to it. There is one very wonderful web series that is coming, Family Man. How many of you have seen it? Yesterday, 2 days I've seen it. The entire 7 or 8 episodes are there. I think 7 episodes, 9 episodes were there. I'm not able to recall. But all are wonderfully picturized, and it is the story, even though the title is Family Man, the story is about Manoj Tiwari. Have you heard the name? Anybody? Or for that matter, have you seen that particular web series? Just few days back, it was launched on Amazon Prime. Anybody? Manoj Bajpayee, sorry. Tiwari is the name in the serial, yeah. Manoj Bajpayee, exactly. So, Manoj Bajpayee से entry कहाँ से हुई थी? Where did he got a break in Bollywood? Which was the movie? See, these are general question, but these are certain relevance to our subject. Don't worry, I am not just doing time pass with you people. It has certain logic behind all my question. Where did Manoj Bajpayee, sorry, again Manoj Tiwari, because Tiwari's surname in the Family Man. So what was the movie where he got a break? Just seen trailer. Okay, Nishan has just seen trailer. Fine. Manoj Bajpayee, which movie did he got the break? The relevance. This question is very relevant to our subject. Anybody? Can you recall the movie song? पिक्चर नहीं देखते क्या आप लोग? Don't you see movies? मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं देखता, but it is needed. Means you can learn from it, because doing a movie is also a case study. Lot of efforts goes beyond creating even a flop movie for that matter. Forget about the hit movies or which are Gang of Wasseypur. No, this was recent. Satya नाम सुना है आपने? Satya. Manoj Bajpayee got a break over there. Bhiku Matre. Have you heard his name? I think probably you must be very in your school days. Probably secondary or higher secondary. I do not know. Anybody has seen that movie? Satya. Manoj Bajpayee was there in that movie. He was a gangster. And he performed that role very, very, very wonderful. Yes, no sir. Divyani has not seen. Nirnay has seen it. So it's a wonderful movie. There is moral of story is gangster. Yes, Chandrasekhar has seen it. See, the moral of story is gangster. They cannot live for long. I am to say their life is limited because they are not doing good thing for the society. But from the subject point of view, there also you have police inspector who these peoples are problematic areas for the society. Even though they are involved with themselves, but still they create a problem. So this Manoj Vajpayee, just a moment, hold on. So somebody try to share the case study which is there on the WhatsApp. Hello. Yes, can somebody do it? We'll be having this discussion. There are plenty of discussion we can do. WhatsApp खोलिए. Somebody who is on phone, who is attending the meeting. Kalyani, yes. Kalyani, try to do it. The case study which I have shared you on our MBA first year group. That case study is related to consumer protection. Even I have not gone through it. I just got the case study and I thought let me share with you. Yes, wonderful. Uh, Hold your mobile horizontal. Now I want somebody. Yeah, good. Good. Excellent. Who can read it loud and clear for me? See, every time I'll need some volunteers because this is how you're going to improvise on your English, on your reading. Reading is again one of the art and skill you have to learn. Who can do it? Nishan, can you read it out? It's very simple English, not very difficult. And see, you have to make this daring. कहीं ना कहीं आगे आना है आपको. अभी तो you are fortunate that we are not offline. Offline रहा तो मैं आपको डायस पे बुलाता था. I could have called on डायस and I could have asked you to read out. Or on table you could have been standing, not on the top of the table, but you could have been standing on your feet, and you could be having reading all this thing when had it been offline. So anybody who can read it out loud and clear. Nobody is there in the class. So hardly 2 paras, not even 2 paras. Kunal, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read it out. Slowly, loudly, and steadily. Okay. Word by word. Okay, and take a pause after full stop. Okay, go ahead, please.
Mr. Mathu said
No, Mrs. Math. Mrs. Math.
January 2014.
No, it is not Mr.
The
Mrs.
jacket was
Kunal, you start again. Kunal, start again, please. Yeah. Mrs. Mathu.
the jacket was purchased at price of 4,500. She had previously sent the jacket for dry cleaning with the shine, dry
Cleaners.
cleaners and cleaners, and the jacket was cleaned well. However, she noticed that her jacket had white discoloration
When she collected the jacket.
when she collected this time on informing the dry cleaners. Mr. Mathur received a letter of confirmation that the discoloration is indeed appear after the jacket was dried. He contacted the dry cleaners multiple times and requested for the compensation for discolored jacket, but to not avail.
But to no avail. Okay, fine. Divyani, Kalyani, just take it down. Yeah. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Yes.
Upon customer court's invitation,
Intervention. Okay.
dry cleaner agreed to compensate 2,500 to Mr. Mathur for the discolored jacket, which was exercised by the Mr. Mathur at the first instance. Name second, name and explain the right which helped Ms. Mathur to avail the compensation. She paid with her consumer responsibility has been fulfilled by Mr. Mathur in the above list? B. Did any other two responsibilities to be assured by the consumer?
Okay, see the reason why I do not know whether your topic on this consumer protection is covered, but this is very common topic, right? Everybody do have this right of consumerism भी बोलते हैं. Whenever we consume means purchase. Consume doesn't mean actually physically consuming it. Even if you go and purchase a jacket, it is called as consumer. Somebody who's consume even services. If you are going in a hotel and you are taking out, for that matter, you are taking a bus ride, right? You are going from here to Pune or to Hyderabad and you are purchasing a ticket. You are not purchasing the entire travels. You are just purchasing the seat, that too for a particular period of time. That means the travel will take you from Nagpur to Hyderabad, for example. So that is a service you are consuming, right? Consuming doesn't necessarily means that you have to eat it. That you have to keep this in mind. Consumer can be anybody who is availing the services of physically buying the product, or it can be availing all sort of services including banking, healthcare, even police station for matter. Even you are a consumer with police station, sort of. As a citizen, you have a right to go over there and file your complaint if you have anything, right? So the reason, first question is this topic covered in your class in marketing, or is it yet to be done? See, all of you need to be talkative. See, you can answer in yes or no. इतना तो आंसर कर सकते हो यार आप लोग. Have you ever read on this particular topic? पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने? Yes. Anybody? What is consumer protection? See, this is a bit theoretical thing, but see, case study for a management student can appear. See, this is related to a marketing guy also. Somebody is into marketing, somebody is into finance, because the compensation has come into picture, right? So all point of view, even HR person who is held to be accountable for this mistake, even the HR person has to find out who was the person involved and what are his or her credential. So, for any mistake regarding consumer protection, the entire organization get involved. It is the top management also. Here, probably that letter must have gone through a particular position holding the particular person in the organization holding a top position. कोई ऐरा गैरा लेटर नहीं भेज सकता, because it is a responsibility of the organization to answer to Mrs. Mathur. Okay. First of all, have you gone through this type of topic earlier? That is my first question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, it's very common. Even if you have not studied it, consumer अपन बोलते हैं ना कि यार उससे तो रेट बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया. I need a refund now. I need a replacement. This all happens with each all. Yeah, protect the consumer to the malpractice of seller. Yes, Abhijit, you are right. See, we are all aware that nobody can charge about MRP. What is MRP? Yes, sir, consumers right. Yes, Nishan. But what is MRP? Again, my next question. See, I'll be asking plenty of questions. Don't worry. And the questions are very simple. What is MRP and what is the relevance of MRP from the point of view of consumer? Maximum retail price. Yes, Chandrasekhar, excellent, fine. We all know it, right? Nothing new about it. But still, what is the relevance from the seller's point of view and from the point of view of consumer? What will seller do with MRP? All of you? क्या होता है MRP? क्या होता है? One should not pay above MRP. Exactly. Why? What does maximum retail price, right? Retail price, जहाँ पे काउंटर से कोई चीज बिकती है कोई दुकान में. Yes, Kalyani, you can stop. No, you keep on sharing so that it remains in front of everybody. Kalyani, you keep on sharing. Keep on presenting. Yes. Kunal tried to read it. Can anybody do better than Kunal? Is there anybody else? See, your reading has to be good. मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ तो you have to be interactive. Don't worry. यहाँ गलती हुई तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Nobody is going to laugh at you. Yes, Achal, can you read it out? Kalyani, it is not visible entirely. Show your screen. Yes, Kalyani. Stop it and try to do it again.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Still, it is not visible. No, Kalyani, we cannot see your presentation. Do it again. Is it visible to all of you? And see, all of you can unmute yourself unless until there is disturbances from yes, you lost your trying to reconnect. Hello.
No, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Is it visible?
Just a moment. Just a moment. In fact, I lost my connection. Now I am back. Let me find out. Is it visible to all of you?
No, sir.
Uh, Kalyani, try to do it again. No, no, no. Yes, it is not visible to any of them. Kalyani, try to do it again. Yes, now it is visible. Yes, yes. Put your mobile on horizontal. Now who is going to? Yes, yes. It is visible. It is coming. It is appearing. Uh, just a moment. I think it is loading. Have you put your mobile in the horizontal? Yes, yes. Good, wonderful. Yes, who can read it out better than Kunal? Is there anybody in the class? He has already he has already done the job for you. Means, he has already read out. All you have to do is read it again slowly, loudly, and steadily, so that we get clear with the case. Yes, it is visible, Kalyani. Keep the screen as it is. Don't change it now. Yes, who is going to do it? Nishant? Mahima? Nishant, are you there? Achal, yes. Achal want to do it. Yes, go ahead, Achal. Go ahead. And see, this is how you are going to learn.
Mrs. Mathur said,
Yes, yes, go ahead, please. Yes.
Mrs. Mathur sent the jacket to a laundry shop in January 2018. The jacket was purchased at the price of 4,500 rupees. She had previously sent the jacket for dry clean with shine dry cleaners, and the jacket was clean wear. However, she noticed that her jacket had white discoloration marks. When she collected the jacket this time, on informing the dry cleaner, Mrs. Mathur received a letter confirming that discoloration indeed appeared after the jacket was dry cleaned. She contacted the dry cleaner multiple times and requested for compensation for this discolored jacket, but to no avail. Upon consumer court's invention, child dry cleaners agreed to
Yes, fine. Don't read out the question. Question we know. Okay. So this is one of the case study related to where there are questions. So things becomes very simple. Here, what you have to do is, see, in this type of case study, what you can do is, instead of starting with the actual case, you can read out the questions. If questions are given, so that while reading, you have in back of your mind that what exactly you have to look out for in the case, because you know the questions. पहले प्रश्न पढ़ लीजिए और बाद में केस पढ़िए. It becomes very easy to find out what exactly you are supposed to look out in the case. इसमें से क्या ढूंढना है? As a detective, as a spy, as a police inspector, as a lawyer, whatever way you want to take it, but you need to be vigilant. Vigilant means आपको चौकन्ना रहना पड़ेगा कि मुझे क्या ढूंढना है, प्रश्न क्या है और what exactly I am looking out for. So this is how you solve a case when there is a questions asked. And many of the cases, or I would say 50% of the cases, there are no questions. So the job becomes even more difficult. You have to find out the problem areas. एक problem areas हो सकते हैं, दो हो सकते हैं. It can be more than 2, 3, 4, 5, n numbers of problems area can be there. Because in real life, nothing comes like this. कि आपको मैनेजर नहीं बोलेगा यार आज सेल क्यों डाउन हो गया, ये प्रश्न है मुझे उत्तर दो. You have to find out what is the reason behind why the sale has gone down. Even though it's a peak season, it's festival going on, why we are not getting customer? Is there problem with our product, or is there problem with our communication? I mean to say promotion. Is there problem with our services? It can be anything. So as a manager, you have to find out what exactly is the problem. Is there problem with pricing? So there can be n numbers of problem. So here the theme is consumer protection. Right? All of you know what is consumer protection. So let me go back to the question which I was asking MRP. Here something is mentioned about. I was asking about MRP. Why do we ask for MRP, or what does MRP stand for? What is its relevance? So somebody has rightly said it stands for maximum retail price. Now, what is maximum and what is retail price? Can a shopkeeper charge you over and above the MRP? Can he do it? Yes, anybody? Can for a product you can you be charged above MRP? Yes, all of you there. In fact, I am facing today problem with my connection. Yes, my question remains: can you be charged over and above MRP? Fine. Let this be as an example. We can sort it out afterwards, because for this you need to be thorough with what is Consumer Protection Act. What are the rights, responsibilities, and duty of consumer? What are the rights of seller? This all thing. So let us see what I am going to do today is, can somebody brief me out on exactly what we have studied last time? What are the steps involved? I was there. First thing was problem. Fine. What is the next step? When we talk about solving a case study, particularly case study which do not have a question. Otherwise, if the case, the way we have discussed right now, if this is the case, Manoj, yeah. Nishant, I didn't got your reply. Can somebody tell me what are the steps we discussed last time, particularly for the case which was not having any question? In fact, I have shown you also last time. If you remember, I have shown you one case on a PPT. In fact, I am not able to find that PPT again. I lost it somewhere. So, yes. Hello. Can somebody recall what we have done? See, my question is very simple. I think most of you were there for my last session. On this case study, we had it on 10th of June. What are the steps involved to solve any case studies, particularly which do not have any questions? As I said, if questions are there, then probably the questions are related to your problem areas. Okay. And you can directly reply to those questions. But what if there are no questions below the case? So what will be the probable step? Yes, quickly. Who's going to answer it? See, you have to be interactive. Otherwise, I am helpless. I cannot do. See, this case study is not me solving it. It has to be through discussion only. Find out the question. Yeah, Nishant, question means the problems, right? If questions are not given, simple answer is find out the question. Find out the problems. What are the problems? What will be the next step? Did we discuss something about assumptions? Last time we have discussed. It was a case of Amit, right? It was a case study of Amit. Can you recall it? What was Amit into? Problem identification, define boundaries, exactly, Divyani. You can just cut paste, then predict. It's not prediction. We have to find out solution 1, 2, 3. And from that solution, we have to give the best possible solution. And at the last, we have to apply. See, here you can say the theory of Consumer Protection Act was applied. If had there not been any क्वेश्चन, इसमें से आप क्वेश्चन हटा दीजिए. ये प्रेजेंट केस स्टडी जो गल्यानी शेयर कर रही है, if you just remove the question, even the case study will stand at is it. You have to find out what exactly is the problem, right? Whether the compensation was okay, 2,500, or whether it was not. What was the right of, whether she has a right to claim for entire 4,500 or more than that. Do she have a right for that? Because that has led to a mental harassment, that has led to waste of time, right? That has led to dissatisfaction. All of you getting me what I'm saying? See, MBA कर रहे हो तो you have to be interactive. In fact, I should stop you कि आप थोड़ा you unmute yourself. This is not happening. Sorry, mute yourself. Put off your mic. इतना ट्रबल होना चाहिए मैं तो बोलता. Unnecessarily नहीं, but you have to interact. Why you people are mum? इससे आपका प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं पड़ेगा. सी रीडिंग इट आउट इज ऑल्सो इज नॉट वेरी इजी फॉर यू पीपल. आई एम फाइंडिंग इट आउट. एंड डोंट वरी, मिस्टेक्स होंगे, होने भी चाहिए. यू आर देयर टू लर्न. यू आर नॉट मास्टर्स. यू विल बी गेटिंग मास्टर्स डिग्री आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस 2 years. Probably after that you won't get the liberty to commit mistake. Possibly when you are on job. All of you getting me what I am saying? Shall I stop the lecture then if you are not interested? Because see, this cannot be done this way. What do you suggest? Yes? Fine, Kalyani, stop sharing it. I think you people are not that much interested. Because, see, you can sort it out. Because I am sending one attendance form, you fill it, and that is all for today. Thank you all of you for attending. Yeah, Divyani has given. Problem identification, define boundaries, what is the case all about, case paraphrasing, that is rewriting the case, assumption in case if you have, possible solutions, that can be 1, 2 or 3, select best possible solution, and conclusion. Before conclusion or in conclusion itself, you can mention which theory you have applied. Can you see the attendance sheet? I have shared it on the chat box. Yes. Try to solve. I have given 3 cases out of which you are supposed to solve any 2, right? Question 1 is compulsory. First is don't solve second and third. solve first or any of any between first and second. Sorry, second and third rather. So I'll just make certain correction. Put all solve any two from, just a minute. Solve any two from 1, 2 and 3. Solve any one. I'll put it 1. Answer two cases. Answer any two cases. Any one from 2 and 3. Yes, can you see the cases? And see, I want this to be submitted before 1:15. 1:15 के पहले आपको सबमिट करना है. Okay, this is your attendance, feedback, everything. So shall we stop or shall we go ahead? I'm to say if you are not able to interact, then that is no point in this subject. I'm to say no point in doing MBA. Let me be very free and frank with you. If you are not able to interact, तो आप interview कैसा दोगे आगे फिर? How are you going to convince your clients, even if you are doing a business? Achal says resume. Okay, fine. So these were the steps, right? And these steps are very simple, and these steps are applicable to those cases which have. And see, I'm going to make it compulsory here onward. I don't want anything on chat box. You please put on your mic. Let those words come from you. Let everybody speak out. Otherwise, आपका communication नहीं बढ़ने वाला. See, in your interview, you won't be getting a chat box to put down. You are not deaf and dumb. Okay, chat box is okay when I am delivering a lecture. I am talking, keeping on talking, and you want to communicate something without disturbing me. That is the purpose of chat box. It is not answering each time in the chat box. You have that liberty to unmute yourself. Come online. बात नहीं करोगे तो इंटरव्यू में कैसे कर पाओगे यार? ये तो जनरल क्लास है अपना. It's a routine class which is happening. How are you going to improvise? चलो इंग्लिश में नहीं बात कर सकते तो हिंदी में बात कीजिए आप लोग. Even I'll permit that to start with. I'll permit that. Don't worry. हिंदी तो सब लोगों को आता होगा. All of you must be knowing Hindi. You see, there is no way out. Yes, हिंदी तो सबको आना ही चाहिए ना. तो this is what I want. No comments in the chat box now. Here onwards, I want you to be online. I'm going to say put on your mic, unmute yourself. If possible, put on your video also. If there is no problem with bandwidth, this will give you confidence. Confidence कैसे आएगा? इंटरव्यू में तो आपको 1-to-1 बैठना है. Even if it's online, then probably you have to put on your camera. That is the first condition. Then you have to talk. You cannot give an interview through a chat box. All of you getting me what I'm saying? Or you cannot run your business without talking to your clients, your employees. आप बोलोगे सर मुझे तो जॉब ही नहीं करना है, I'll do my own business. But same rules are applicable for doing any sort of business. Even for किराना दुकान भी डालना है तो you have to talk to your customers. Possibly not in English, हिंदी मराठी में बात करोगे, but that communication has to come. That's why I'm saying if you are not comfortable in English, but कोशिश तो कीजिए. गलत होगा ना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? What else will happen? You may go wrong. That's all. But now and you are PG student. You are doing a professional course. It is not something like MSc or MTech or for that matter any other like MA Arts. थोड़ी है आपका. You are doing MBA and you need to have command on at least 2 languages. English and Hindi is must. Vernacular language आनी चाहिए. If you come from some place like AP or any other place, जो possibility बहुत कम है. Most of we belong to Maharashtra or maybe MP. तो MP रहा तो English हिंदी में काम हो जाता है. But still third language एक आनी ही चाहिए आपको. Vernacular language we call it or mother tongue we call it. जो भी जगह रहते हो आप वहाँ की it is called as vernacular language. Even it is not your mother tongue, you are supposed to know that tongue. At least बोलते आना चाहिए, समझते आना चाहिए. Forget about writing. Writing may not be required. It may hardly happen that you are asked to write in a vernacular language. Most of the business communication do takes place through English. All of you following me what I'm saying? No comment in the chat box. You need to disturb me. You need to disturb the class. Okay, very good, Devan. So this is at least yes. Kunal, no putting, no comment in the chat box. Actually we don't have the option to
Yes, sir.
mute the chat box. Otherwise, I could have removed the chat box. Fine. This is how you are supposed to come out. At least I'll come to know that you are there. You are not just logged out, logged in, and you are roaming here and there. आपका अटेंटिवनेस तो दिखेगा. और फॉरगेट अबाउट कोई लॉक करके गया भी होगा तो आई एम लीस्ट कंसर्न. अटेंडेंस तो वैसे में आपको आई एम गिविंग द लिबर्टी, यू हैव टू फिल द फॉर्म एंड सबमिट इट. ओके, बट if you interact in that case, because see, let me tell you one thing very clearly. If you really want to improvise on your communication, it requires lot of practice, lot of efforts. It is not going to come through a thin air कि सपना देख लिया और मुझे आ गया, I got a, जो बोलते हैं ना, आशीर्वाद मिल गया या चमत्कार हो गया. It is not going to happen that way. You have to practice, and it will start from here only. From where else it will start? Or else you can do with your friends also. You can keep on talking with your friends, communicate with them in English. Because why I'm stressing on English is because this is the area we have problem. All of we have problem. All of we have weakness in this area. And getting a command on any language, what is wrong in that? You don't have to spend anything from your pocket. All you have to do is just put an effort. Try to communicate. And there has to be somebody who's going to correct you. Possibly your friend or a teacher. क्लास लगाने से नहीं होने वाला. आप बोलोगे सर क्या ये यहाँ क्या पढ़ा रहे हो? I'll join a class, I'll pay a hefty fees and I'll get a polished English. This is not going to happen. I can challenge it. Through class you are not going to learn any English. How have you learned your mother tongue? Through a class? No. You were listening when you were just born. You listened almost for how many years? 1.5 years, 2 years, 2.5 years. And after that you started talking. It is simple. It's very logical, very scientific. Just see how a child learns to speak any language. He do not start writing it. He do not start speaking it. First thing he do is he keep on listening, because God has God has muted him. He cannot talk. God says first you be a good listener. After that God says fine, you have listened so many things. Now try to speak it out. उसके बाद ही वो लिखना सीखता है. That is very when he goes to school. और प्रॉब्ली घर में ही बहुत बार अपन दीवारें खराब करना चालू करते हैं, बिकॉज वॉट एवर इज देयर इन आवर ब्रेन वी ट्राई टू पुट इट इन वर्ड्स, इन राइटिंग. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. नो क्लासेस विल हेल्प यू आउट. यू हैव टू कम हियर एंड यू हैव टू टॉक. इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Nishan, okay, fine, very good.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So try to construct small
Yes, sir.
sentences. Yeah, exactly. All of you falling, then why are you not speaking? Again, my question. Try to be curious, try to interact. Unnecessary question मत पूछे. मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा कि just create a trouble, create a, जो बोलते हैं ना, भीड़ भाड़, बाजार मत create कीजिए. Try to be relevant, but try to ask few questions. You should have curiosity. Otherwise, you are not going to succeed in life. Let me tell you. क्योंकि curiosity is, ये बोलते हैं ना, necessity is the mother of all invention. It is all curiosity. Necessity is what? Necessity gives rise to curiosity. कि मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? How can I do it? That is curiosity. I keep on asking question to myself. And this is how I invent something. This is how invention has happened most of the cases. It was not accidental. Most of the invention, few of them were there accidental. But most of the invention, talking about your radios, talking about your atomic invention, talking about whatnot, your even internet for that matter, the first use was done by the military. So it is all because there was a need for all the inventions. I'm saying more than 90% of the invention happened because there was a need, not because they were accidental or they all of a sudden somebody came across. All of you following me? मैं इंग्लिश में ठीक हूँ क्या कि हिंदी में बात करते जाओ? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन. Are you comfortable with my English? Or shall I keep on talking in Hindi? Again, no comment? What is the reason? Yes, Kalyani. Again, see, put on your mic. Don't See, remove this habit of putting in chat box. मैंने बोला ना chat box का you are misusing chat box और जो बोलते हैं अपन discussion box. It comes handy when somebody is keeping on talking and you don't want to disturb him. If I am asking a question, I am taking a pause. I mean to say I want reply in verbal. I want it orally done. Okay. All of you getting me what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. This is how I want you to come online. वो चैट बॉक्स में मत डालिए. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू परमिट. कुणाल इज अगेन कमिटिंग सेम मिस्टेक. नो यूजिंग ऑफ चैट बॉक्स, क्योंकि ये आदत डालनी है आपको. इंटरव्यू जो होगा तो यू हैव टू कम ऑनलाइन. वीडियो ठीक है ना, बैंडविड्थ का प्रॉब्लम होगा तो डोंट कम ऑन वीडियो. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी इफ यू आर बोथ, क्योंकि सभी लोगों को बैंडविड्थ का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. You can be there putting on your video because that will assure me that you are attending my class. I can give a positive feedback about you while giving internal marks to you. I need certain things, criteria I have to fulfill. I have to take into look. इसी ब्लॉक कर दिया है और मेरा फीडबैक फॉर्म भर दिया, that is not going to satisfy me. I want the answers to be given. जो केस स्टडी मैंने डाली है, if you are giving it relevantly, then it will show that you have attended my class properly. That means you have followed. And in case if you have not followed, then you should have put the query that you have not followed such and such thing. I hope all of you getting me what I am saying. Because internal marks, I do have certain criteria, and it is not me who has decided it. It is a framework followed by most of the universities. So उसके हिसाब से ही मैं मार्क्स दूंगा आपको. It won't be like only attendance. It will be your interaction, the way you have solved whatever questions, assignments I have given. Everything will be taken into account. Is it okay? If I am not able to give you marks because I don't have a record, then I'll be helpless. Somehow you have to follow my instruction, and it is for your betterment. It is not to satisfy my ego, or it is not to do something जो बोलते हैं ना अपने लैंग्वेज में टाइम पास कर रहा है सर. This is not like that. Okay. So goodbye to all of you. I'll end the meeting. And next time onwards, I want interaction. Otherwise, I'll stop taking this subject because it is very important subject. और लोग हंसते हैं कि केस स्टडी, हाउ टू सॉल्व केस स्टडी. पीपल डू नॉट नो द स्टेप्स ऑल्सो. आई वोंट नेम द प्रोफेसर्स, बट देयर आर मेनी प्रोफेसर्स हु themselves do not know what is exactly case study and how to solve it. Because no books tell you this way, the way I am doing it, the way we are solving it. Nobody will do it that way. The way we are discussing it. And it will be through discussion only. अकेले केस नहीं सॉल्व होते. Because that's why CID is a team. CID serial देखते हो, simple answer. Why Daya is not alone? Why do he need all those people around? कौन कौन होते हैं दया के साथ? चलो एकदम आसान क्वेश्चन. Who else is there? Because this serial is very very people are crazy about it. I let me tell you very frankly, I totally dislike that serial. मैं उसका चेहरा भी नहीं देखना चाहता, but it's going on for almost last 20 years. 20 or 10, I do not know, but for a very long time, almost 20 years I think. Yeah, 2000 it started. So why Daya is not doing it alone? Why to solve cases in group? Because a single person, his perception is limited. ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर क्यों नहीं आ रहे आप लोगों को? Why are
All of them have different skills.
exactly all of them have different skill, and that is how you can go to the root cause of any case. डॉक्टर भी सिर्फ एक ही डॉक्टर सारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स क्यों नहीं जा सकता? कान नाक घसा जो देखते हैं अपन, लिखा रहता है कान नाक घसा मराठी में, राइट? यू हैव डॉक्टर स्किन डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट आर डिफरेंट, हार्ट डॉक्टर्स आर डिफरेंट, किडनी देन लीवर व्हाट नॉट. यू हैव स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर. व्हाई can't a single person solve all their thing? Because your mindset, your perception, skills are different. So that's why these cases has to be solved the way we are doing it. Exam में ठीक है, exam में you cannot do it in group because there is certain restriction. But case study solve, even in your organization, if some problem arises, probably the first thing any manager will do is call a meeting. Why call a meeting? Can't he take the decision alone? Ultimately, he has to take a decision. The head of that particular branch, he may take the decision alone. Many times he might take also few small decisions. But when a critical things arises, first thing they do is called as emergent meeting बोलते हैं या urgent meeting बोलते हैं. They call a meeting so as to take a idea, perspective from each of you, so that you never know what may click out, what may come up, what may crop up. Okay, fine then. Solve the case and submit within 15 minutes.